Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where timeless design meets modern inspiration. Every beautiful space begins with a vision, and every vision has the power to transform the way we experience everyday living. Luxury is often associated with expensive materials or grand architecture, but true luxury is much deeper than appearance. It is the feeling a space creates the moment you step inside. It is the balance between comfort and craftsmanship, between natural light and thoughtful design, between tradition and innovation. A well-designed home tells a story without saying a single word, inviting you to slow down, appreciate the details, and enjoy every moment spent within it. Great interiors are built through layers of texture, color, shape, and light. Every carefully chosen surface adds depth, every handcrafted detail creates character, and every architectural feature contributes to a sense of harmony. When these elements come together with purpose, they transform an ordinary room into an unforgettable experience that feels welcoming, elegant, and timeless. Natural light plays one of the most important roles in any living space. As sunlight moves throughout the day, it changes the atmosphere, revealing textures, highlighting architectural details, and creating beautiful patterns that bring interiors to life. The interaction between light and carefully crafted materials gives every room a dynamic quality, making it feel fresh and inspiring from morning until evening. Thoughtful design is never just about decoration. It is about creating environments that encourage relaxation, meaningful conversations, creativity, and connection. Comfortable seating, balanced layouts, rich materials, and artistic craftsmanship work together to make every space feel inviting while maintaining a sense of sophistication. The smallest design choices often have the greatest impact, proving that beauty lies in attention to detail. Across generations, artisans have perfected techniques that celebrate craftsmanship and authenticity. These traditions continue to inspire modern designers, blending centuries-old methods with contemporary lifestyles. This combination creates interiors that respect history while embracing innovation, resulting in spaces that remain stylish for years rather than following short-lived trends. Luxury also comes from balance. Bold architectural forms become even more impressive when paired with soft textures. Rich materials feel warmer when complemented by natural greenery. Geometric precision becomes more inviting when surrounded by organic shapes and flowing fabrics. This contrast creates visual harmony while adding comfort and personality to every environment. A truly inspiring home is one that reflects both beauty and functionality. Every room should support daily living while offering moments of peace, inspiration, and joy. Whether large or small, every thoughtfully designed space has the potential to improve well-being, encourage creativity, and provide a sanctuary from the busy world outside. As design continues to evolve, the most remarkable interiors remain those that celebrate craftsmanship, embrace natural light, honor timeless principles, and create emotional connections. Trends may change, but exceptional design always focuses on quality, authenticity, and lasting comfort. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope this journey has inspired you to see your own living spaces in a new way and discover ideas that can elevate every corner of your home. If you enjoyed this experience, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Homes and Gardens for more inspiring architecture, luxurious interiors, and creative home design ideas. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and keep transforming your space into something truly